So welcome back to my channel, guys. Let's see how market can perform tomorrow. And first of all, let me delete all the drawings. So market has, in the second half, market has given a very good upside move. It has tested its, few days, 16th of this, 15th June, the bottom it has tested and then given a very good up move. Right, and from now it has closed at 18,816. So for tomorrow, what we can expect from market is, if we mark the high of Nifty, that is coming around 18,880 around, and the bottom is 18,667. So this is a Nifty range of Nifty. Between this zone, market can consolidate, and if we are planning for buying, we can only buy above this all-time high area 18,881. But above this 18,881, 18,900, 950 could be, this is a round number, psychological number. Any time profit booking can happen from the top. Okay, and for selling also there is 18,800, 18,000, these swing lows like 18,780s. All this can 760, 780, all this can act as a very good support. Okay, so for selling we have to wait till this level, where market has tested 17,730. Below this level we can only plan for selling, and for buying only above the all-time high 18,881. Any price action, or after any, if we saw good price actions with volume, we can initiate our trade with straight stop loss. Okay, but what I am expecting, if it is given a breakout retest, then we can enter. And for selling, we are planning below this range, because all this range can act as a very good support. All this swings low, round number 18,800, all this, and below 18,667, if market anytime came in this range, below this range, the next target we are expecting around 16,625 to 16,000, 18,582. These are the range for Nifty. We can play below this level. We can get a good selling, right? So yes, this is for Nifty, and let's move towards the Nifty Bank. Okay, let's move to the Nifty Bank. So Nifty Bank, I have draw a trend line. In 15 minutes time frame, it has taken multiple time resistance. For similarly, if we also draw the support around 43,300 to 350, this range, right? Let me draw it. Okay, it is perfect. So for buying also similarly like Nifty, this trend line will act as a very good resistance, and the high, this swing high, this is good supply zone. So if we buy in this range, there are multiple chances ki, we end up with losses, right? Because there are multiple resistance this trend line, and below above this is multiple time 44,100 to 65. This zone market had tested many times and given a good breakdown. But 44,065 you can go for long, and your target could be, this is 44,200 could be your target. You can see, it has tested this line and given a breakdown. So yes, it is a very good supply zone, but yes, above this range you can play. So what we can do in Nifty Bank, above this level breakout we can go long, and these are all our target. And for like Nifty also, below 43,000, for the good directional trading, below 43,000, this swing low 43,385, we can go for shorting in this range, and below this the target could be 43, 346. This low, if I draw this like like this way, 43,350, and below this that our range is coming. I'm not expecting that range, but yes, we have to ready with all our levels, right? So this is the level for Nifty Bank. For good move, good directional trade, below this level you only can sell. the target, we should book our target in this range 43,300 to 351, and below this, if there is in further move we get, we can go for further selling as well. Okay, below this breakdown or breakout. Okay, so all the index so far, nifty, bank nifty, not directional move, we can get very good move. Okay, and similarly with fin nifty, if we see, it is now trading at I think tomorrow is fin nifty expiry if I'm not wrong. So see, has now trading at multiple time resistance, and also the last 15 minutes candle also taken resistance from the top. So market, if it is market open flat, and any price action it has making the top negative price actions, so what we can do, we can go for selling from here. We can go for selling if any market take rejections in the top, and similarly above this level 18,000, sorry, 18,525, above this level if market sustain, so we also can go for long, and our target could be 19,579 to 19,626, right? And above the selling, for selling with the stop loss of the day's high, we can go for selling, and we can partial book our profit in this range, like. And for the main support that can work 19,380, this range also can act as a very good support. And of course this 19,400, see, let me remove this first and draw this range 19,400 to 380. See, okay, this zone will act as a very good a primary support, and below this also, if market can take rejection, we can go for further selling, and our target that I'm expecting is this low, today's low, and below this breakdown we can expect at this range. Okay, so there is no directional move in any of the index so far, right? We are expecting, so this is a trend line also, like bank nifty, it is also taking rejection from here as well. Okay, so this is for nifty finance, but I have very few stocks which is which can give very good move for tomorrow intraday basis. So the first stocks which I am going to discuss is IRCTC. Let me remove the drawings. See, IRCTC is if I it is now making triangle patterns like this. Okay, so in the IRCTC, we can get a very good move above the breakout of this 665 area. Above the 665 area, if I mark this above the 665 area, the next we above this area, the target we can expect, that is for intraday basis only. The target we can get is 669 or the 670. Okay, and above this level, the all-time high is also possible, the high of on the 19th June high also possible. Right here we can play both, we can get the both move for uptrend or downtrend, we can get very good move here. So yes, above the breakout we can get a good move in IRCTC. And the if I mark the, if I first delete this, then this is a multiple time support. Okay, 660, it is a multiple time support. So below this range we can go for further selling, we can below this breakdown we can go for selling. Our target, first target would be 656, and the second target would be around 642, around 651 and 642. This will be our target if it is given breakdown in IRCTC. Okay, so yes, IRCTC you can add in a watch list. So the next stocks which I'm going to discuss is MFSL. Okay, MFSL, you can see that in 15 minutes time frame, it is trading. It is taking rejection from the top, and today also there is one level which I should mark, horizontal line 707, and if I also mark this low 700. So in MFSL, below this 700 level there is very good opportunity, we can get for selling below the 700 levels with a stop loss of 3 rupees SL, we can go for selling. The target we can get around 695 to the 680 zone. This will be the zone, okay, where market can take support. So yes, below the 700 level we can go for selling in MFSL. If I mark the level like this, okay, we can go for selling. And for buying, and MFSL, if we get the selling opportunity, it will be very good for. But for buying also, above this trend line, the both trend line, why for buying also there is a good opportunity. You can see this is a kind of flag and pull kind of pattern, okay, you can see. So above this there is also an breakout possibilities as well. Okay, if I remove this here, if I replace it here, so above the level also there is flag and pull. Above this flag we also can get a good opportunity in MFSL. So yeah, both side, like IRCTC, we can play both side here as well. So the next stocks is Canfin Bank. In Canfin Bank also the symmetrical pattern which I have drawn here, like this. The this pattern, above this pattern, very good pattern it has made. And yes, in the last 15 minutes, almost last hour, it has rises very good volume from the for the upside. Okay, so what we can do in Canfin Bank, Canfin Homes, above this level, above 752 levels, we can go for long, we can initiate our long positions. So the possible target would be 755 to the all time this high. Okay, first let me delete that. uh, the high, that is 760. Okay, so above this triangle pattern breakout of this horizontal line, after the retest we can go for long with a stop loss of 750. We can initiate a very good trade in MFSL, right? So the next stocks which I'm going to discuss, it is for buying purpose. Most of the chances that we can get also Adani, if we saw it in a daily time frame. See, in daily time frame, it is 2373. This level acting as a very good support, right? And you also can draw this trend line from the top like this, like it is kind of flag and pull also possible. For upcoming swing after the breakout of this, we can play flag and pull here as well. But for intraday basis, if we move towards the 15 minutes time frame, draw it like this. Okay, so for the 15 minutes time frame, above the consolidation area multiple time, it has consolidated from 19th to and from 19th I think almost closing, and today's opening it has also taken rejections, right? But one thing you have noticed that it has swing lows, the lower swing, it is higher low kind of pattern it is making. Okay, so above this consolidation we can initiate in Adani enterprise, we can go for long in Adani, right, with the SL of 2410, around 24 not 2410, the today's closing around 2418. Above this level we can go for long. Okay, this is the analysis for Adani enterprise. Also you can also draw uh, this here as well. Okay, so above this level we can go for long in Adani enterprise. The target, the first target is what I am expecting around 2451, and above this the possible target would be this level, that is 2467, 6768 zone. Okay, this is a possible target for Adani, and with a strict stop loss. But yeah, for selling also we can play, but we will play for for future short, or like for selling directional move, we will only sell it below 2373 level, right, the major breakdown level for Adani enterprise. So the last stocks which I'm going to discuss is BPCL. So BPCL, if we saw that it has multiple time, it has tested its 370 this level. This level it has multiple time it has tested. Okay, so let me draw it further. Okay, so it has tested multiple time in BPCL. So we can play both in breakdown and the breakout above this range. So above the 374, above the 374 level, we can go for long sim in BPCL. Like our level could be, the possible level could be like this. Above the breakout, we can go for long. The target we can expect around this swing lows. But one thing I have to say that you can go long here, but it has multiple a very good support here. So our stop loss will be in the both side. Our stop loss will be very less, right? So if we go long, almost above 373, your stop loss will be around 1 rupee stop loss, right? 1 rupee stop loss, you are getting target out with 4 rupees, around 1:4, 1:5 ratios you can play very well. And for selling as well, if we give our SL in this range around today's closing 372, and below this 371 level, if we can short the target which we can expect, the first target which we can expect around 379, sorry, 369, and below 369 also 366. All these are levels. With 1 rupee stop loss, we are getting around 1:3 kind of ratio to ratio is making here. 1:3, 1:4 ratio to ratio we are getting here. So yes, for both side we can play in BBCL, in Adani Enterprise for only for buying, in Canfin we can play for only for buying, in Max Financials, both for buying and selling, breakout and breakdown we both can play, and similarly for IRCTC as well. Okay, so but index is, as index there is no such good movement we can expect in index, but yes, we can go, we can play in the equity, in the stocks, where we can get a very good movement tomorrow. And so that's all for this video, guys, and I hope you like my analysis, and please subscribe my channel and like this video if it is helpful for you. And very all the best for tomorrow, guys, and have a good day. Bye.